Hey guys, so this is just going to be a short intro to my clean with me video because my room needs to be clean. This is like literally like the before. There's little baby right there. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned and check out the video and see how I clean my whole room, just keep on watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell next to it to be notified every time I upload a new video. And like the video, share it as well if you enjoyed it. And yeah, comment down below and say you're a new subscriber and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I love you guys and I'll see you on the next one.